welcome back to your science class. In today's class we are going to talk about a very important concept, and that concept is neutralization. Now children, what is neutralization? Now you all must be wondering that what this new topic neutralization is. Before I take this topic, let us recall some of the things that we have already covered. Now as you all know children, we are doing chapter 5 acid, bases and salts. Now in this chapter I already discussed that what are acid, what are bases. Yes, I told you that acids are those substances which taste sour, whereas bitter substances are what we call as bases. Now I also told you that indicators help us in determining whether a substance is acidic or basic. What? Indicators. Okay, so indicators help us in determining whether a given substance is acidic or basic. For example, litmus paper, turmeric, beetroot, cabbage. Yes, I hope you all remember this. Litmus paper, turmeric, etc. Now, we also have some substances which are neither acidic nor basic, which are called as neutrals. Some substances which are neither acidic nor basic, they are called as neutral substances. Now children, have you ever thought that what would happen if I add acid and bases together? What will happen if I mix acid and bases together? For example, you have lemon water, which is acid, which is acidic in nature, and I give you a washing powder, which is basic in nature, and I ask you to mix both of them. What do you think the result solution will be called as? Children, whenever we add acid and base together, they form neutrals. The acid present in the acidic solution and the base present in the basic solution destroys the effect of each other, and we get neutral substances which are called as salts. Namak. Yes, so this reaction that happens in which salts are formed is called as neutralization reaction. Interesting? Yes. So what is neutralization? The definition is very important to remember. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. And how do we write this? We write it like this. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Now let us write one equation for that. Now children, example of acid is HCl. Okay, what is HCl? HCl is hydrochloric acid. It is hydrochloric acid. Clear? Now this acid when reacts with a base, let's take any base, NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide. Okay, which is sodium hydroxide. What they both will give? So when this acid is added into the basic medium, they both destroy the effect of each other, and they make a neutral substance, and that neutral substance is called as salt. That is called as salt. So salt is NaCl. This is a salt plus water. Water is H2O. This is the formula for water, H2O. So I hope children you understood this very simple concept, which is neutralization reaction. Now this neutralization reaction is very useful in everyday life also. Remember, I hope you must have experienced that feeling of acidity. Okay, whenever you have acidity, so you tend to feel very uncomfortable, and then you go to market, to shopkeeper or to chemist, and you ask him to give you a Digene tablet. Yes, so what that Digene does basically, children, when you feel acidic, when you suffer from acidity, that acidity is due to the increased HCl. That acidity is due to increased HCl in your body, which causes that acidity. So when you take Digene, okay, so or ENO, or you take ENO also, yes, so that ENO is a base. So when you add that base to your that acid which is accumulated in your body which causes acidity. So they both neutralize the effect of each other and you feel relief. Okay, and you feel relief. So this is what happens in neutralization reaction. There are many more examples of neutralization reaction. We are going to discuss it in the next class. Till then, have a great day everyone, and you can note down this, children, if you want. You can note down. I will send this in the message also, but if you want to note it down, you can note it down.